Hi, it's Joe Wiessner, Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed property, Hammonton, New Jersey. Today we're at 362 South 3rd Street, right in the heart of Hammonton. And I have a classic, you can call it a bungalow, you could call it a Craftsman style, but either way, it's a great property. And 3rd Street is one of the most popular streets anywhere in Hammonton, and you have the opportunity to check this out. Let's take a look. It's got 1,372 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, and it's got this gorgeous concrete work here. You can't get this anywhere. Look how pristine and lovely that is. You have a garage in the back, and then there's an associated shed. I'll show that to you momentarily. 362, could be you. Who doesn't love this? The screened-in porch right here on gorgeous 3rd Street, Hammonton. The trees are unbelievable up and down the thoroughfare here. Let's check out the inside. Got the big living room, tall ceilings in here, and you can see how spacious it is and plenty of room for your big furniture, your TV. I have a lot of nice conversations in here. This downstairs was recently modified. They had some elder care here, so they put up a full bathroom on this side of the wall, which I'll show you momentarily. But right in here, this is where they had a nice room. This isn't considered a bedroom, but you could use it as you want. You have this really modern space here. It's got a walk-in shower, stand-up, newer vanity, new toilet, everything nice and neat in there. Let's check out the kitchen. Everything's nice and bright white in here. You have this gorgeous ceiling. That's the cedar, absolutely lovely. And plenty of counter space, kind of old school, but kind of feels really, really nice. Let's check out the laundry room, right off of the kitchen. Washer, dryer, standard. Now let's check out the upstairs. It's also got a full basement, and that's in typical shape from when they built this house. This was built circa 1930 or so this is classic Americana here. As you can see by the banisters and the Craftsman style woodwork, really, really lovely. This will be the biggest bedroom. This one faces to the north side. It's got 2 big closets and plenty of room to make it your own. You got a second bedroom right here. Lovely wood floors. Love that grain in there. And then we have more of the same. This would be bedroom number 3. It's got the little cubby hole. Check out these really wide baseboards. They don't make them like that anymore, but that's the whole house that way. All the trim is that older style that everybody wants. And who doesn't love these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panel doors with the old hardware? Love those with the keyways. You got a full bath up here. It's got some renovations in that space, but everything is what you see. And you know, there might be some work that needs to be done here and there, but you could move into this one and fix it up as you go. So let's walk up the driveway. You can see this really excellent concrete work here. I love the old style, a cinder block. Those are classic. This one had a recent upgrade, and I'll explain this to you in the conclusion, so stick around. It's got a new electrical service going in with a new electrical loop, so that's all modern, but there is a little bit of a twist to that, and I'll tell you momentarily. It backs up to this 1-car garage, and there's a little workshop that's attached to it, so you could bang around in there, put a workbench in there. It's got electric, everything real nice, and you have this large barn for storage. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you know anybody that wants to live in the heart of Hammonton, that wants a classic cottage style, bungalow style, Craftsman style house, this could be it. Share it with them on YouTube. And if you really love the content, give us a subscribe. It really helps us in the algorithms, and it gets our content out to more people, and the more people that see it, the better it is for the marketplace. It's got 3 beds, 2 full baths, 1,372 square feet. This property is being sold as is, but you as the buyer, you have the right to inspect it. There's a couple things. Obviously, there's some upgrades that are going to be needed in some areas. Basement is a little bit older. The garage and barn are a little bit older. The electrical service has been updated. My understanding is that it's updated up to the 1st floor, but the 2nd floor has the knob and tube, so you would need to address that when the time comes for you. But the seller's selling it strictly as is, and you have an opportunity to inspect it. This property is right in the heart of Hammonton. This is one of the most gorgeous streets anywhere in South Jersey, let alone Hammonton. 3rd Street has the tree-lined maturity of yesteryear, and there's all kinds of older style construction. If that's your niche, this could be the perfect place for you. So, Joe Wiessner, as always, would love for you to make an appointment to see this property, and I want to see you at the settlement table.